Hi everyone, I've just taken the engine out of my 500 SL. It was making a knocking noise which you might have seen in another video, and it seems that one of the guides has gone. One of the guides that are in the cylinder head is broken. There's still some bits of it left here, and it's caused the timing chain to be knocking here. You can see where the timing chain would have gone. I've cut it all off now, but because the guide went in the cylinder head, that really bad. I've still got to check the bearings, but you know, on the cover here you can see it as well. I've just taken off the cover, and like, well, I've still got to get this chain out, but if you look here, this should just slide out actually. Oh, I really need to get one of those fucking cameras, excuse my French. But there, look at that. Oh, you can't really see it, sorry. There, that's where the chain, there are all bits of aluminium in the bottom of the sump. So I think it's that.